In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install an extension in Mozilla Firefox. This is perfect if you want to add features like ad blockers, password managers, or productivity tools. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and then scroll down to the settings. Now, go to the left side area of the navigation and scroll down to extensions and themes. From here, all I have to do is very simple. Utilize the search add-ons here in Firefox. For example, you wanted to add features like ad blockers. Okay, type it in. What will happen is you will be forwarded with 2,000 plus results found here in the Firefox browser add-ons. Okay, and of course from here you can simply choose the add-ons that you wanted. All right, for example, we're going to be choosing uBlock Origin, which is highly recommended by Firefox itself. All I have to do is click on it. You will be forwarded here. Now, all I have to do is click the Add to Firefox, and then Firefox will download and install the extension automatically. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message, and in most cases, the extension icon will appear next to the address bar right here, as you can see on the top right corner besides the three horizontal lines. It's super simple. Now, here, if you want to manage or remove extensions, just go back again here, okay, on the add-on manager. You have the ability to, for example, to toggle it off, to turn it off or disable it temporarily, or if you want to permanently delete the extension that you added, click the three dots icon, click the remove button. Okay, and basically that's how you add an extension here in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.